Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you my new makeup finds of Ross, Burlington and Nordstrom rack. I hope you enjoy today's video. Definitely subscribe if you are not already. I post new videos twice a week and this channel is all about shopping. For now, let's get started. At Ross, they had this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is primer plus moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. I found it here for $21.99. They also had these Laura Geller Smart Pout Transfer Proof Lipstick. This one was in this shade right here. I hope you guys can see. They also had this shade here as well. These are here for $3.99 each. They had some makeup on clearance at Ross. I found this a melted chocolate matte eyeshadow from Too Faced for $5.49, and they also had this little perfume here from Michael Kors for only $7.49, and they had this Bye Bye foundation powder marked down here for $9.99. They also had this new eyeshadow palette here from Molly. This is Beyond Brightening All You Nude eyeshadow palette for $6.99. And they had a lot more of these Dominique Cosmetics Coral Blossom palettes. You can see I found a bunch of these for $14.99 each. They also had more of these Dominique Cosmetics palettes here as well. This one is Berries and Cream, and this is also here for $14.99 each. They also had these Laura Geller The Casual collection here, so I found two different palettes from this collection. So they had beige and brown and also rose and taupe. These are here for $7.99 each. They had this one single piece of Pretty Vulgar eyebrow pencil for $5.99, and this one was in the shade 05. Then they had this new here from It Cosmetics Ombre Radiance bronzer. This one was in the shade Warm Radiance, and this is here for $14.99. Then they had this new here from It Cosmetics. This is Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment Serum. It sounds great. I have never used this product before. This one was in this shade right here, Love Amore, and this is here for $9.99. They also had this It Naturally Pretty Anti-Aging Luxe Shadow Trio here in the shade Matte Luxe for $9.99. They had this Real Her Embrace Yourself shadow palette for $4.99. Also, they had this I Can and I Will matte liquid lipstick set for $4.99 as well. They also had this Bare Minerals Bare Pro Longwear lipstick. I found two pieces of these lipsticks in the same shade. So this is the shade, and this is here for $5.99. They had one more piece of this Tarte Rainforest of Sea eyeshadow palette, and this one is here for $19.99. They also had this Molly Soft Focus Low Light and Highlight Trio for $6.99, and they had this new mascara here from Laura Geller Lash Boss Strength Lengthening Mascara, and this one is here for $4.99. They also had this baked gelato swirl here from Laura Geller in the shade Gilded Honey for $4.99 as well. They also had this Molly Get Cheeky All Over Glow. This one was in the shade Mad About Mauve, and this is here for $5.99. They had another shade of Too Faced Melted Chocolate eyeshadow marked down here for $5.49, and this one was in the shade Tiramisu Me. They had this Clinique All About Lips serum new here for $14.99. Also, they had these Juice Beauty SPF 30 Sports Sunscreen here for $9.99 each. And they also had this The Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel. This is here for $9.99. And they had a bunch of these Ariana Grande Cloud Mist here for $7.99 each. They also had this Wonder Beauty On the Glow Blush and Illuminator for only $3.49. They also had this Lancome set here. It has a mascara, a eyeliner, and also a micellar mini size of micellar water included. This set looks amazing. It has full size of mascara, and this mascara from Lancome is amazing. I found it for $27.99, and they also had this here as well. I don't know this brand, but this is 15% niacinamide gel serum, and this is here for $19.99. They had more of these Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lipsticks for $4.99 each in this shade right here. Also, they had this Dominique Cosmetics liquid eye paint for $5.99, and this was in this shade right here. They also had this Stila Treasure Island all-in-one putty trio. This one was in the shade Treasure Island for $13.99. They had this new brand here at Ross Florence. We found a couple of different products at TJ Maxx last week, so I found this set right here. It has three different products included for $9.99. I also found another shade for Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment Serum from It Cosmetics. So this is the shade, and these are here for, as I said, $9.99. They also had this set here as well from Florence for $3.99. Bow Under the Eye Gel Pads. It has 3 pairs. And they had this new here as well from the Body Shop for $8.99. So this is Nourishing Body Butter Olive. They had new stuff here from Seattle, London at Nordstrom Rack. So I found the velvet palette here. We have seen this at TJ Maxx. I found it here for $12.97 each. They also had this Edna Mod collection here at Nordstrom Rack. I found this Edna Mod Never Look Back Eye and Face palette. That's what you get inside, and this is here for $16.97. Also from this collection, they had a bunch of these lips shadow here. So this is weightless lip shadow. That's what it looks like on the inside, and this is here for $9.97. So these are the 2 items I found from this collection. Pretty cute. Then they had this set new here from Clinique. So this is Clinique Happy Hour set. I love their Happy Hour perfume. So in this set you get a perfume, a hand cream, and a travel size spray for $42.97. They also had this new set here as well at Nordstrom Rack. This is Cleanse and Repair Extra Skincare set. So looks like it has a moisturizer and a cleanser included, and it looks amazing. And on the back you can see what are the products you're getting inside. It has Extra Repair Moisture Cream, Extra Repair Eye Cream, and Soothing Cleansing Oil as well. So really cute set, and this is here for $97. Really expensive, I want to say. And they had more of these Jeffree Star stuff, and this Burberry I have showed you in my last video. So they had more of these, and also these NARS palettes we have seen last time. Now I'll show you my new Burlington makeup finds. So they did not had a lot of amazing stuff, but I found this Glam Light lip gloss markdown here for $2.99. Also, they had this Ultimate Coverage Foundation from Becca for $6.99 in only one shade. They also had this Milani Cream Blush here at Burlington as well for $3.99 in the shade 150. Also at Burlington, they had this really cute Eco Tools Shine Bright set here. It has some really pretty brushes included, really useful for everyday use. Also, it comes with a beauty blender and also a beauty blender case. And this is here for $9.99. They also had this NARS lipstick here as well for $14.99 in this shade right here. Also, they had this NARS single eyeshadow here as well for $9.99 in this shade. They also had a couple of these Hems limited edition Wild Orchid and Sweet Orange Herbal Bubble Bath. It looks really cute, and I love this brand, and these are here for $5.99 each.